Everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open Eureka Crystal Beads collection for August 2025, and this is called Mystic Tides Beads collection. Let's take a look. It out of the bag, and everything comes wrapped in tissue. So here's our collection. So for those of you who are not familiar with the collections, this is not a subscription. This is a beautifully curated collection of beads, stones, findings that they offer on that website, generally monthly. They also have light collections, so smaller collections that they offer generally mid-month. So lots of different collections that you can look at and just choose the ones that you like. So I'm going to open this up and I'll put everything out and we'll take out a very beautiful, beautiful inspiration picture. And here are the beads. Look at that. Wow, it's going to be gorgeous. And then you get your list and you have an inspiration paragraph that they put in. I'll just read a little bit of it. Twilight drapes the shore in a kaleidoscope of hues. Pink winds, teal tides, and violet shadows are dancing over the flickering waters and across quiet stones. Let you read the rest. So it sets the mood, makes you kind of, I don't know, it makes me in the mood to look at all the beautiful colors. So here we go. Here's our list. Here we are. Everything has a category. So here's the item name here. So we have seed beads, check glass beads, Kronkovsky crystal, Preciosa crystal, Chinese crystal, and findings. And everything is identified by its SKU number. So this number corresponds with this product. So if you type this in the search bar, this product will come up. This item will come up. Anything that says times 6, times 2, times 2, times 2, you get 6, 2, whatever of that number. And free U.S. shipping on all orders over $39.99. Okay. Now that we're done with the business, let's look at the beads. Taking everything out of the bags, and the only thing I didn't take out right now are the jump rings. So you have some jump rings here too. We have silver for our findings, just beautiful. I just like you to get a look at the color story. Look at these gorgeous pinks, roses. We've got some violet colors and teals, really very beautiful. We'll take these out of the tubes when we get to it. So let's get started. We'll take a look at the seed beads to begin. Before we start, just a little something straight off the design table. I haven't even sewn my threads in yet, but we'll make this pendant. And I just think it came out so pretty. And I was thinking, as I was looking at it, just right here, what if we could make a bracelet just out of these units right here, these 3 units, and just repeat them? So that will probably be something that will be coming as well. So here we go. This will be the first project from this collection. So I won't take these out of the tubes. Some I will. But first we'll start with this Toho, and this is a Toho 11-0, and this is in silver lined amethyst, so you can see that amethyst color in there. Beautiful. And then we have a Toho Treasure in white lined baby blue, and these are, I believe, 2.5-inch tubes, 8 to 9 grams. Next up we have a Miyuki 11-0 10-gram tube, and this is in, I don't know the name of the color, but this is gorgeous. It's almost like that like a frosted plum, isn't it? That's really, really pretty. And then we have a Miyuki half Tila, and this is also a frosted bead, and this looks like sort of a frosted green. Isn't that gorgeous? Really pretty. A Miyuki assorted seed bead mix, 10-gram bag, and this is the Mystic Tides mix. So all the beautiful colors from the collection are in this this mix. It looks like we've got 6 O's, 8 O's, 11 O's, and we got a little 15 O in there too. Very pretty. Look at the check glass bead. So we have a 6mm fire polish. Isn't that pretty, that opal color? What is this called? Maya Blue. Oh, that's lovely. And how many do you get here? You get strand of 25. Beautiful. That's stunning. And then you have a 2mm check glass Druck, strand of 100. And that's a beautiful sort of pink color. That's gorgeous. Pretty. Next up we have this gorgeous 2-hole gem duo, 8x5 mm. And look at that gorgeous color. That's backlit, let me see, spectrum. That's beautiful. This gorgeous ginkgo leaf bead. This is gorgeous. And this is a 2.5 inch tube for the gem duo, and this is a 2.5 inch tube. What is that color? Let me look on the summer rainbow pink. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the pink and sort of orchid color, and then the sort of like, it's got a little warmth, like sunshine warmth in it. Isn't that gorgeous? Or sunset warmth. Oh, that's pretty. I love that. Beautiful crystal fancy stones. How gorgeous are these? These are beautiful. So we have an 8mm chaton. You get 6 of them. Look at that gorgeous rose color. That is stunning. And then we have 2 12mm rivolis. And I think this is heliotrope, the color. Look at that gorgeous sort of like purples and pinks and ambers and little blue and green. Look at these gorgeous navettes. These are 9x18mm. You get 2 of these, and that looks like that looks like teal to me. And then look at this gorgeous, gorgeous 18x25mm oval fancy stone. And this looks like it's heliotrope as well. So these 2, the same color. And look at how gorgeous they all go together. And look at that sparkle. That is mesmerizing, isn't it? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pearls. So this is a 3mm pearl strand of 135, and what a beautiful little puddle of pearls. Isn't that gorgeous? And this is a beautiful sort of rose color. Isn't that pretty? That's very like vintage looking, isn't it? Like vintage rose. Okay, bring on the Preciosa crystal, and we've got a mix here. Pack of 72, 3 to 4mm mix, and I love that we've got 3 and 4mm in here. So we've got rose, we've got, excuse me, cat hair, we've got rose, we've got teal, looks like a little bit of amethyst in there. Those are beautiful. Of course, goes with everything. These are gorgeous Chinese crystal rondelles, my faves. 3x2mm. You get a strand. I don't know how many are on the strand, but there are a lot of them there, and I don't know the color on this, but isn't that gorgeous? It's like a rainbow gold. That's beautiful. Love. Look at that sparkle. Let's look at our findings. So we have a Gleam Craft lobster claw clasp, 10x5mm. So here you go right there. Here's your little lobster. It's very dainty. And then we've got some jump rings here. So, you can use that for the other end of your clasp. And you get 6mm jump rings, pack of 10. Let's add the ear wires to the mix. And this is an ear wire, round French ear wire with 2mm ball, 27mm. You get 1 pair. Look at these beautiful, dainty little tiara cast findings. So we have earring posts. So here's your earring post here, and that's tiara cast. It's called vignette. You get 1 pair, and then you get the charm to go with it. It's also tiara cast, same type, only in a charm. And then look at this pretty toggle clasp. This is a tiara cast toggle clasp keepsake, 1 set. So it's a little very dainty, very beautiful. Okay, here you go. Here's your Mystic Tides beads collection from Eureka Crystal Beads, and I think they're just stunning. They're just doing such a bang-up job with these colorways. They're just absolutely stunning. So I will put a link in the description box below the video to this collection, to their collection page. Check out all the collections. There are so many there now. They have the, as I said, they have the light collections as well. So, lots and lots to choose from. All right, so take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.